everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning English through stories. We're focusing on common situations and what you can say naturally. By the end of this video, you will feel confident in everyday conversation. Imagine you meet someone new at a party or maybe a class. What would you say? You can start with, "Hi, my name is Gifts. Nice to meet you." Or, "Hello, I don't think we've met before. I'm Gifts." You see, that sounds better. That sounds interesting. That sounds like you want to have a conversation and it becomes natural. Now, let me give you a story. So, yesterday I went to a cooking class and I met Sarah. What I said was this: "Hi, my name is Gifts. Nice to meet you." She smiled and said, "Oh, hi, Gifts. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too." You see how simple greetings can set a conversation naturally? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Sometimes, right, you need help, whether at school, work, or on the street. Here is what to say. "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "I'm sorry to bother you, but can you help me with this?" That sounds more polite and it can help you make your conversation more natural. Okay? Let me give you a story. So, last week, I got lost on my way to the bookstore. I asked a passerby, "Excuse me, can you tell me where the bookstore is?" They smiled and said, "Sure, go straight and turn left." See, using polite phrases makes people more willing to help. Okay? So, as much as possible, be polite. Now, in this situation, right, when you're hungry and need to order, you can say, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." Or, "Can I have a chicken sandwich, please?" Adding "please" always makes it more polite and friendly. Okay? Now, here is a short story. Last week, Saturday, I went to a cafe and ordered a latte. I said, "I'd like a medium latte, please." The barista smiled and said, "Sure. Anything else?" See, short, polite phrases work perfectly in daily situations. See, small talk can help you connect with people. You can ask, "How's your day going?" Or, "Did you do anything fun this weekend?" These questions show interest and keep the conversation flowing. So you won't be seen as a boring person and be stuck in an awkward situation. So when you make small talks, awkward situations stay far from you. Okay? Now, let's do a story example. Yesterday at work, I saw my colleague and asked, "How was your weekend?" She smiled and said, "It was great. I went hiking." Just a simple question can make someone feel comfortable and friendly. You see, that's how it's done. So I want you to try this exercise too, okay? Ask your colleague and try making small talk with your colleague when next you see that person. Got it? Remember, politeness and a smile go a long way. Simple sentences work best, and it's okay to ask someone to repeat if you don't understand. Practice makes perfect. That's it for today's lesson. Try these phrases in your daily life and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, please hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!